are we supposed to signal him with?
Oh, there's flares in the gun bag.
What gun bag?
You didn't grab the guns?
Me? Who died and made me gun monitor?
Pretty much
Look
everybody.
here, the gas station's right across the street. We could have already been there and back by now. Come on.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, the Terminator. Welcome back to Left 4 Dead 2. Now, today, we're actually going to be playing Hard Rain. So, yeah, I'm actually going to grab a katana. And, yeah, let's go on in and kill some zombies. Hello! Ooh, that was a double kill.
Grabbing pills.
Grabbing pop bomb.
Burger tank was open. I could go for a barbecue bacon burger, a large order of fries, orange soda with no ice, and a piece of hot apple pie. God damn, I miss Burger Tank. First aid here.
So that's where that iconic line come from. I'm going shotgun. Uh-oh, I think I hear a jockey. Okay, Boomer, I can clearly see you over there. Just die already. Sheesh. Alright. Oh, that's a alarm that's gonna notify attention.
Reloading.
Let's see if there's any other guns up here. Suck dead. Oi! Oi! When in the world did you get those guns? Oh, dang nabbit. I see your boomers up there. Okay, pretty sure there's Red Thunder over there. Where's the boomer at?
Shot here.
Where's the boomer at? There he is.
Got it.
Eh,
Let's cut through the garage sale.
Uh-oh, I already hear the witch. That's the... Oh, that's a witch. Yep, go. Freaking Thor, her witch. Uh-oh. They had... Wah! On it. Come on, guys. Give me a hand here, dangnabbit. Ooh, keep moving. Ow, I'm definitely hurt. Where's the charger at, though? Ow! Uh-oh! Oh, I thought someone saw the witch. Come on, stop screwing around, get in here.
messy out there.
Woohoo! Hey, hey, at least we made it though, man. Alright, got myself an automatic shotgun. Got myself a first aid kit. So let's keep going on, shall we now? Hello.
Road blocked.
Let's head through the mill.
In here.
Yeah, definitely a good idea. Where do I go? Over here.
This way.
Yep, definitely this way.
This rain will come. You're gonna get washed away.
Reloading.
Alright. That's a war! I was not expecting that. Alright. Eyes open, people. We're going into Witch Valley. Uh-oh. They're coming! I'm gonna try to, walk by her. Crap. No. Oh, not good, not good, not good. Those are crap guns. You anyone need pills? I don't know where the other witch is at. What? Are those two witches there at the same time? Oh boy. Okay, try to sneak around them.
Up that ramp.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna clear this out.
Fire in the hole.
Booyah! Oh, thank goodness the witch wasn't there.
Reloading.
Uh-oh, Jackie. Boomer said, oh, there's a witch up there, and Rochelle nearly shot it. This way. Come on now. Oh, son of a bilge rat. There it is. Oh, crap. And I stole the witch at the same time, too. Knock it. No. Crap. Whoa, jeez. Not good. Well, there's a witch right there. Now you people see why I call it Witch Valley? I need to quickly heal.
Cover me for a sec. I gotta heal.
Okay, I need to heal up and then bolt out of there. What the heck? Why are there so many witches?
Water's starting to move. We gotta move.
There's a lot of witches. What the? What a pipe? Bro, what? What a pipe bomb, man? There it is.
Yeah, boy.
I am not switching out my shotgun. Screw that.
Up here.
There's a jockey. Smoker. Ah, crap. Okay. No, I didn't.
There's the gas station. Through the chain.
Oh, you bet there's gotta be a freaking, you bet there's gotta be a freaking witch at that freaking, at that, cornfield. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna have to freaking use my samurai sword, though.
Here they come.
Yes, him. I got this way. What, that propane tank? Yes, it is. There's two of them. Bring it on. How y'all doing? Good? Sweet. Oh, now. Oh, jeez. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Nick. Oh, crap. Alright, everybody on the vehicle. Let's go. Come on now. Turn my flashlight back off. Oh boy. Ah, jeez. You definitely know that wait, is there 3 witches in this cornfield? Okay, so here's a smart idea. I'm gonna throw my pipe bomb. I'm gonna throw it over there. Hopefully get all the zombies out there. Or no zombies will come at all. Here's a boomer. There it is.
Damn. I'm impressed.
What? Oh, Jiminy Christmas, scared the crap out of me. I thought that was a witch.
Keep moving.
Oh, wait. Right here?
Look here. This here first date is mine.
Alright.
Make me proud out there, people.
Woo! That was a lot of witches there, people.